Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Start by locating Recorder app and clicking on it. Now tap on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. To add a bookmark, click on Quick Tag on the right. And to add a photo one, tap on Photo tag right next to the quick one. Now take a picture and select one of those options, mirror on or mirror off if it was taken with a front camera. Wherever you decided when you finished, hit OK. Now to discard your photo, click on the top left corner. Then retake it and click on the check mark at the top right one to add it. Now you can type in wherever you wish to over here, and to add your tag, select this check mark at the bottom right corner. If you wish to end your recording and save it, select Stop on the left. Then name it however you wish to and tap on Save. To access list of all your recordings, click on Recordings icon next to the stop one. As you can see, my recording is over here. To play it, click on it. In order to delete it, you can click on Delete right away next to Stop and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!